What's going on, everybody? It's your boy JP here, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how you can get more Google reviews, not only for your pressure washing business, for any business in general. This goes for home service, local business, if you're selling cupcakes, really a universal method with the technology we have today. But before we get into it, I do just want to say, if you want to support a fellow pressure washer, go ahead and drop a like below. Also, hit that subscribe button if you do like informative content that adds value to your everyday life. Let's go ahead and get into it. So first thing I do want to talk about is, why are Google reviews so important? Because I feel like a lot of people actually don't realize why it is important to get Google reviews. So if you aren't aware, Google SEO is a way to generate leads. And when I say that, I don't mean running Google ads, okay? It's not to be confused. Google SEO is Google Search Engine Optimization. And basically what that means is, anytime you search up something on Google, Google has an algorithm, right, that shows you the best result first. Now, that algorithm is very questionable these days, I will say that. But besides that, it is basically the algorithm that helps businesses get in front of customers the best way possible. It's been the tried and true way to get leads since Google was invented, I guess. I mean, to be honest with you, it's just a legendary way to get customers in any business. Like, for example, these days, even if a gas station is further than another gas station, if it's a better gas station in Google's eyes, better reviews, better articles, I mean, just better in general, better brand, they will actually choose to direct people as far as, when they look up on their Apple Maps, they will choose to take them to that gas station over another one, which might be like Petey's grocery store that just happens to sell gas, right? But it's, 0.5 miles versus the other one, which is, like BP, for example, is 1.2 miles. Yeah, I don't know if anyone's ever noticed that, but it will actually not take you to the nearest gas station, but it will take you to the closest reputable gas station. And so the same thing applies with any kind of business that people want to look up. And, personally, from my experience, when I didn't pressure wash back in the day and I looked up a pressure washing company, man, the first thing I typed out was pressure washing near me, right? And SEO is so important because it doesn't really take money to get an optimized website. It just takes time and dedication to optimizing your own website and learning how to. And I do just want to say, if you are trying to dive into that, I do have a course. It dives into SEO, the best Facebook ad strategy that I use that literally generates all my leads. We've had a busy week this week, and we got many more to come, and it's about to be November. Guys, we're booked up to the end of November right now. So my leads generation, I mean, man, I tell you, I got it dialed in, and we have not even been in business a whole year, okay? And we're full time in this. So definitely check out that course if you want to. Had to plug it, guys. I had to plug it. But anyways, how to get more Google reviews. Guys, this bad boy right here, a Google review card, okay? Now, basically what this Google review card is, so let's just say I have my phone here, or we'll use my mouse as a phone. So this is my iPhone. You have a customer's iPhone right here. You take the card, stick it right under the iPhone. And 9 times out of 10, it will actually pop up as a notification on that iPhone, right? And so it's not just as simple as just doing that, right? I just wanted to give you an example of how it works. But essentially, you can't just be like, hey, you got a phone there? Boop. Just like, it looks weird sometimes, right? You never, unless you know the customer, right? But, most of the times we're meeting random people, and, some people are going to be like, what the heck? Especially if they think you're going to hack their phone or something like that. But basically what it is it's an RFID reader. Basically, our phones are able to read that these days. That's how you can literally use your phone as a card reader. Don't know if you knew that, but you can use Square, and I have a link in the bio too if you want to go ahead and set up an account. We both get $1,000 free of processing fees. So essentially, you will not have any processing fees for $1,000, which is helpful for both of us, trust me, because those fees can stack up. But anyways, you can use your phone as a card reader and take card on the spot. And so that's the same technology that these cards use. Now, I do have a link to get these cards as well. It's the cheapest price I did find on Amazon, and it's the one that I have currently. And the reason you want to get this one, not just because I'm recommending it to you, but also this one was the easiest one that I found to program. Okay, it's not just as simple as like you get these cards and they're just set up. Some of them do take you, like you need an app to download, and then you have to like, find the right code online and program it right into the card. It's a whole bunch of mess. But this one right here, all you had to do was go to the website that they have linked to the card specifically. So you have like a little number. I don't know if I can show my number, but you have a little number that you can type in on the website, and they will actually program your card from their computers. And you just tell them what website you want to put on that card, and they will program that chip for you right from their computers. It literally takes no time at all. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Literally just type in the code, type in the website you want it to direct it to, give them about 10 hours, and they'll update the card for you. And literally, you just, again, slide it under the phone. You'll see the notification pop up on their end. It goes right to your Google review. Like, I'm not talking the Google page either. No buttons to press, no friction. It pulls up the review ready to be typed and the stars right on the customer's phone. And so that is a game changer, guys. I'm telling you. And again, reason it's a game changer is the more reviews you have, the more Google respects your business and will want to push your business in front of customers more frequently. Because when Google sits here, it's not only about, okay, you pressure wash, right? So does 80 other companies in your area. But they look at, are you highly rated? What do the reviews say? What does your website say? Is your website professional? Is it easily optimized? There's a ton of things that Google looks at to rank your website above others. Now, a big thing too is also age, but I will tell you, that's not 100% what makes you rank above others. And I feel like that's a big mistake people make, is not dialing in their SEO optimization and then thinking Google will just find out about them later down the line. It just doesn't work like that. Google has tens of billions of websites to look at every single day, and they don't even look at them all. So you need to dial in your SEO, and this is a great way to do that. Even if you don't want to do all the techie stuff, website stuff, reviews are a great way for Google to find out about your business and start ranking you a little bit higher. Now, will it be the end all be all for SEO optimization? Absolutely not. Like I said, I do have a course below. We go into all of that. It's a game-changing course. But yeah, this card right here, I have a link for it in the bio. All right, not in the bio. I have a link for it in the description. Go ahead, cop it. It's like $10 or something like that, guys. I mean, this card pays for itself because the reviews you will get are literally going to be the pathway for other customers to find your business, therefore booking more, having higher intent for free. I don't know if I went over it too much, but how to really get the reviews, because this card isn't just a magic trick, okay? Like, I like to use that as a funny little line, but it's not just like, you have the card and the customer's just going to leave a review. I had the exact same thing happen today. Literally tapped the card on the customer's phone. It was on her screen. She said she was going to leave a review. I was like, awesome. Got home a second ago and it's just not there. The review's not there. I will tell you, here is some incentive to get a review. And this is something I should have done today. So I'm giving you free game right here. Guys, offer value for the review, okay? Don't just sit there and be like, hey, leave me a Google review. I did a good job, blah, blah, blah. Offer value, okay? Because if they're gonna take that 5 seconds to leave you a review and they know dang well they're doing it to basically help you, you need to help them, right? So what I'm actually doing right now, I'm doing a $50 Visa gift card giveaway, right? And so basically what it is any Google review that I have, and I think I have like 28 right now, and all those Google reviews I'm gonna put into a wheel, I'm gonna spin it, and essentially someone is going to win a $50 Visa gift card. And so that's something you can tell the customer. Be like, hey, boop, here's a review. If you want to go ahead and leave me one, just go ahead and do that. And what I do at the end of every month is I do a $50 Visa gift card giveaway. Guys, like just something as simple as that will literally get you tons of reviews. So just incentivize the customer to leave the review. Don't just expect them to leave it. Some will. I mean, most of them will, because it's right there on their phone. Why would they not? But incentivizing just make sure 100% that you're getting those numbers, because I'm telling you, reviews are super, super, super important. I hope you have a great day. Be safe.